Hi everybody. So in the last video we had riveted on the strips, the securing strips to the front half of the roll bar. We click it on the back half. We've put it onto the plane to make sure that we can line it up and get the rest of the holes pre-drilled. All right, so we've got some, I say holes pre-drilled, I mean like over between the fuselage and the roll bar. That's all done. And so now we're just finishing up by riveting on the back half of the roll bar. Now the instructions have you rivet on both halves before you put it onto the fuselage. And you can do that. I was just worried about there being any twist imparted by the table or by myself, so I elected to not do that. And it's just pop rivet heaven. So yeah, nothing really exciting, just finishing this up. Let's see, any other updates? I've ordered a couple more pieces of the G3X system. Thankfully, it's two of the least, actually, I believe it's the two least expensive pieces I have to buy. So, like I said, the parts I have now, technically I could fly around. Actually, I couldn't, because you still have to have minimum amount of engine instruments, right? Oil pressure, oil temperature. So, what I have ordered, I've ordered two boxes. One is the GEA-24, which is the EIS, or engine interface system. So, you know, cylinder head temperatures, exhaust gas temperatures, manifold pressure, oil temperature, and a few other things. So that's, oh yeah, fuel flow, fuel pressure. All that's going to be in the GEA-24. With that in place, then I have a complete system in which I can fly. I don't know why they don't call that required. I mean, it's not technically required because I can use other instruments or other versions of those, all of those exact same things, right? I don't have to have an oil pressure sensor. I mean, readout on my G3X. I can just have a regular one. That's fine. I mean, if you're going to do all G3X, you have to have one. So I'm getting one of those. I'm also getting the GAD27, which is electrical control box. So this is going to control flaps. It's going to control the trims and a bunch of other cool stuff. Really, Fluffy? Did y'all hear that too? She's just begging for dinner. What do you want, baby cats? So just doing a little bit of cleaning up here. And now that it's all riveted together, so I'm not putting it on permanently yet. The reason I'm not is because I still need to get into the back, and once that roll bar is on, getting back there to work is going to be a bit of a pain. So once it's required, once the finishing kit is here and I need it, that's one thing. Till it is, I don't need it, so I'm not going to put it on yet. Plus, I need to paint it first. And I never show myself painting, so I thought I would do it now. The paint I have chosen is we're going to be using the same paint that I used on the rudder pedals, which is the truck spray bed liner. Interesting choice, right? There's many reasons for this, and most of it is that the only time you're really going to be needing it, you're going to need to grab onto it and have grip. So I need something with grip, and I like the black. Anyway, in the next video, we'll be doing more stuff, so see you soon.